It's time for the Canton, Ohio weather report. It's 51 degrees right now, and it's drizzling. Today's high was 60 degrees, and today's low is going to be 48 degrees. Today is Ohio as fuck. Basically been raining on and off all day, but more on than off. Oh yeah, I saw that bunny again. Take a look.
Oh my god, I see the bunny again.
Do you think I'll see the bunny again tomorrow? Swipe up and let me know.